This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, November 26, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This at noon today. We have a trough moving through the middle part of the country with one piece of energy over the Great Lakes, another over the Gulf Coast. This will be phasing into a pretty big storm system over the east. There'll be some showers and maybe a little bit of wintry precipitation down in the southeast, especially in the mountains and into the mid-Atlantic. Around here, it's just cold with highs in the 20s to low 30s. It'll still be fairly cold here on Wednesday, highs mainly in the 20s to near 30. Rain along the east coast, snow in the interior, could be heavy snow, some lake effect in the Great Lakes. It's just sunny and cold here. That system moves away. For Thanksgiving, we still have some lake effect snow in the Great Lakes. Still cold here, highs in the 20s to low 30s. Some rain moving into the California coast. And as we head to Black Friday, it's still cold here. Highs in the mid-20s northeast to maybe low to mid-30s south and west. A little bit of lake effect, especially in the eastern Great Lakes. Otherwise fairly calm across the country. Still the case here on Saturday. The winds do turn south to southwesterly, so temperatures will boost up into the 30s across the state. Maybe a few more clouds around here on Saturday and especially on Sunday, with some rain and a bit of flurry activity close by, but not really in the state. Can't really rule it out. The chance ain't zero. But another system is coming into western Canada with a big high pressure in the Yukon, and this is going to drive cold air down. And we could see some snow breaking out, maybe in the northern counties around Monday. Maybe late in the day as this system comes in two pieces. One piece will be zipping through the Great Lakes here next Tuesday. Another hanging back just off the Pacific Northwest coast west of Seattle. And it's going to be these two systems along with a ridge that's over Alaska that's going to take this cold air to our north and just dump it into the country with some snow across at least here next Tuesday across the northern tier of the country at that time. Going into the extended period on December the 8th or so, we have a trough. It's pretty much over the entire country. Ridge over the northeastern Pacific up into the Gulf of Alaska. Big vortex over northern Canada. And a big storm way up there. Cold air all the way down through the Rockies, the Plains, the Mid-Atlantic, the Northeast, the Great Lakes, the Midwest, the Ohio Valley, the Mississippi River Valley. And it's still that way at the end of the forecast on December the 11th. A trough pretty much over the entire country. Some energy north of the Great Lakes, some just off the Pacific Northwest coast. But it will be a pretty quick moving flow. So any more high-pressure systems that come nosing down from the north will quickly move away, but it's still going to remain cold with highs maybe struggling to make it to 20 degrees at this point. Satellite image from last evening, we had the storm system over the southeast and the Gulf Coast with some rain and a little bit of wintry precipitation around. This will be moving east and then northeast along the coast today and into Wednesday, and some clouds in the north and west. The watch warning map from last evening, some winter weather issues from far northern Georgia through the Appalachians up into the New England states, some flood watches up in the south and east, and some air stagnation in the northwest. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 6 o'clock, showing nothing around here and not expecting anything. All the heaviest precipitation will be to the south and east of the state.